Alright, so what I will do today is I will teach you guys how to make an animation. So we can start with this cube, it's a normal cube, and we can grab it, you know what I mean? That's G, by the way. So it's actually quite simple. Many people struggle with it though. So let's just start. This is an important part. You need to be in number 1. Your starting position, the one that you want to start with, then you put it at frame 1. And then you go to the square, this transform properties, and then you do this exact thing. Unless you're not going to scale it. It doesn't really matter. You can do it for whatever. But anyway. And then you can go to, let's say, 20. Grab it in the y-axis. And do it again. And if you play it back, you can see that it moved. Another thing you can do is you can scale it, and then do that. Look at that. It's amazing. All your friends will be impressed by your amazing skills. And then you can finally rotate it. And then you can do that. Amazing, isn't it? Anyways. So, once you have that down, there's another way you can do it. You can, okay, another thing you can do is you can, first of all, you have to do this for all of them. You have to do that for all of them. But next, look at this. You can, wait, I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's amazing. Okay. So, you can press this, and then go here, and just grab, and it'll automatically do it for you. And then another thing that's cool is, okay, so first of all, click off that, and then press R, and then R. And then you're like a person. Oh, where am I? Oh my. So then you can go to 0, press play, RR, press play, RR. Oh, oops. You have to press this, okay. Press play, which is space, RR. Oh, where am I? Oh my. I'm in some random world I do not understand. Look at this. What? Where am I? I don't know where I am. Where? Where is this person? Where have they put me? And suddenly this cube has a motion. Anyways, that's the end of this Blender minute tutorial for beginners. Thank you. This was animation.